committed to you. Fox 10 News.
Well, welcome back to Fox News at 4, and thank you for staying with us. You know, sometimes first aid isn't a bandage or CPR. Sometimes the first aid is you. A person you know could be experiencing a mental health or a substance use problem, so you can actually get trained in mental health first aid to help. We have two guests to talk about this important skill, Katie Deegan and Christina Helmick. They are joining me in the studio to talk more about this. First, I'm going to start with the name of the service. It is mental health first aid.
Yes.
Elaborate on how that came about.
Mental health first aid came together in this community with North Baldwin Infirmary and North Baldwin Rural Health Network to bring these classes into the community and offer them for basically anybody, civic organization, churches, law enforcement, businesses.
So along those lines, what kind of mental health help are we talking about here? Is it with depression? Is it with something else?
This 8-hour class really encompasses all the different mental illnesses, and it just focuses on identifying risk factors and signs and symptoms that are associated with mental illness. And it just works in educating those that are attending the class on how to interact with those individuals and just kind of calm things down until appropriate help can be reached.
Christine, I want to bring you in on the conversation. Why do you think something like this is so important to the community?
You know, it is such a timely topic. I mean, we've seen it across our country and what is taking place and happening. And from a Leadership Baldwin County perspective, I'm part of the class of 2018, and our small group project is focusing on mental health and partnering with North Baldwin Infirmary. And we're really excited to do that because we want people to understand that a lot of things can be stopped before it gets out of control. And this is just an opportunity for us to educate, for us to get it out into the businesses. This opportunity to do a simple class, just as like if you were learning CPR.
Right.
So we are really excited to be partnering with them. Obviously, we're very passionate about it and feel like there's a need for it.
I don't want to steal too much thunder away from the course, but can you give me an example or a nugget of the information that you're providing?
We're basically focusing on the signs and symptoms and really trying to identify those risk factors and ways to communicate, really kind of giving us the encouragement and the empowerment to ask someone, how are they feeling today? And give them that open communication so they can reach out for help.
All right, we've got the details. We've been putting it up on the screen for you. Want to go over it again. This is a training course. It is April 18th from 8 until 5 at North Baldwin Infirmary in Bay Minette. There's a lunch and learn segment also where you can get more information from Christina at the Eastern Shore Chamber of Commerce. This really is going to be a good service for people. One is just getting them to ask that question because sometimes that's all it takes.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's all it takes is just to be aware of your surroundings and who you work with and who you interact with. It's not just your place of employment, but it's also those service hours that you do, or in the schools, or your churches, any small groups, anything. We need to be aware.
Yeah, it's that community involvement. Well, I thank you ladies both
for
coming in to talk about this. And we'll have the information for you posted on our website so you can watch it or share it with someone you know. Look for it shortly. It'll be there on fox10tv.com. Again, thank you ladies both.
Thank you. Appreciate it.